I'm with you, sister-in-law. The Blue Brigade will win.
This is the team which is going to London by the first flight of Goel
They cannot
Airlines.
afford to let this game go out of their hands. A very important match for both the sides playing today.
Then the Blue Brigade will not win.
106 for 4. Vishal
I feel the
Bhardwaj
same.
is bowling very well. The batsmen don't seem to have
Great.
any answers to
Very
his
good.
very wily
You
bowling.
switched sides
The pace
very
is playing
quickly.
up to the bowler.
How does it
46
matter
runs, they
if the
need
Blue
to
Brigade is
score.
taking
On the
Goel
next
Airlines
ball,
first
a
flight?
good delivery which was played up to the batsman and he's scored it very well. He's pushed it behind the stumps for another boundary. Superb work. He's looking for the block hole. It's a full delivery and he's played it exceedingly well. The batsmen
Many
are looking
things
for
are
runs
going to
score
change
really quickly
tomorrow
now.
morning,
And the
Sanjay.
bowler's going flat
Our
out.
flight
He is trying his best to get the batsman
will take
in
off,
trouble.
and this
And the next
entire
ball.
world will be
And that has been lofted
a
exceedingly
playground
well
for
for a
us.
six.
We are
That's
going
a wonderful shot.
to become more
A
powerful.
timely shot that has helped the team
KK,
to score the runs that they
poor
badly
KK.
need now.
He'll keep watching us.
Ladies and gentlemen, the diamond of Awadh's Nawab.
And that's out. That's a very good catch for Mohit. Deepak has his first wicket of the game.
Hira.
Vishal was looking to squack
We don't
on this
need
shot,
her anymore.
but he had no answer to the delivery. And Mohit
No.
had a very good catch behind the stumps.
You hung up on me, Goel. Perhaps you do not remember. The one who can help you succeed, she can destroy you as well.
Sumit Das now coming on to bowl. He's coming in the place of a hat-trick delivery. Can he pick it up?
Hello?
Hello, is this Mr. Prabhakar?
Mr. Dineshwar uncle. Yes, it's me, Prabhakar. Greetings.
Very, very happy birthday to you.
Thank you, uncle. Good, at least someone remembered. Everyone has forgotten here, I think. Yes, everything is fine. Yes, greetings.
Tea.
It was Mr. Dineshwar uncle from Patna.
Is everything all right?
Yes. Do you know why he called me?
Well, let me bring my tea.
Do you have something sweet to eat?
Will you have sweet early morning?
Yes, I wish to have some sweet.
Okay, I'll get it.
She didn't even ask why I want to have sweet. I think she has forgotten.
What are you looking at? Have it?
Why don't you sit down? Where is your tea?
Oh, yes. Well, listen.
Mom, please come here for a minute.
Yes, I'm coming.
Hey, Purva, what's the date today? Why are you looking at your mobile? Think hard.
Check in the newspaper, it's right there.
Right. Even she doesn't remember.
Purva, I can't do this. I just can't do this to you.
Mom, wait, it's just a matter of a few minutes.
Gayatri, Purva. Where are both of them?
Happy birthday to you.
Happy
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much. So you didn't forget, right?
How can I forget your birthday? I supported the kids as they wanted to give you a surprise.
Oh, so you were just pulling my legs with the kids.
I wasn't troubling you. I was just. I will have to listen to the kids, right? Anyway, Anushka has planned all this.
Thank you, Anushka. Thank you so much.
Shall we
Yes,
go
yes,
inside
let's
to
go,
have to
let's
cut
go.
the cake? Shall we?
Come,
Sit
please
down,
sit.
sir. Sit. Let's cut your birthday cake.
Yes.
Here are the candles.
Siddhant,
Oh, he must be sleeping.
then go and wake him up. We won't cut the cake in his absence.
What's going on? What are you all celebrating? What happened? Will anyone of you tell me? Why are we cutting the cake?
It's enough. No need to pretend. They have already given me a surprise. Anushka has told me everything.
About what?
Oh, come on. He's saying that we don't need to pretend and he already knows what the surprise is. You are late. And anyway, I told you that you are a bad actor. Sir, let's cut your birthday cake now.
What happened to your hand?
Nothing. I got hurt while parking the bike last night.
Are you fine now? Then at least wish me.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Come on.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Yay!
All right. My birthday celebration is over.
It was
Happy?
fun.
Not yet. We are yet to have a party.
Hey,
Yes, sir. Let's have a party.
a party at this age, what will people say?
This trait of cleverness that you have inherited, it is in your DNA that comes from your father.
Why do you care? People like to gossip. Don't worry about the society. You do whatever you want to. Party if you want to.
No, but even I don't want to have a party. I don't want to go out. Where will we go?
Yes, actually, I'm bored of eating outside food. Let's prepare something special at home.
I don't go out often.
Sorry. Okay, it's between you and me. We'll go for an outing. Done.
All right then. Siddhant will decide how we'll celebrate, okay?
Correct.
Fine.
So, why don't you prepare litti? You know how to prepare, right?
Fine. Absolutely perfect. Let's prepare litti.
Okay, I'll also help you.
Forget about it then.
है तुझसे
से वास्ता बस गैर सारा जहां तू मिले बस तू